have a never-ending to-do list? A list that's always longer than the regular working day can accommodate? Well, you are not alone. A lot of us have the same problem. We either end up stretching our day to complete it or close the day with undone tasks. We can get this scenario a little better, and probably you already know that the only way to get this better is by prioritizing the task. I have seen people prioritizing tasks based on their interest. In that case, you will end up doing only what you like and not what you are supposed to do. Few others prioritize what is coming from their boss or leaders. Well, in that case, you will never help your team members' need. Instead of randomly picking up tasks based on what is on top of your head, you can start thinking of few popular techniques that can sort your day better. There are lots of techniques. In this video, I'm going to talk about two popular prioritizing techniques: Eisenhower matrix and prioritizing by energy levels. The Eisenhower matrix is the most common and popular prioritization technique. It was introduced by 34th President of the United States. The Eisenhower matrix helps you to prioritize tasks based on two main factors: urgency and importance. To prioritize work using this framework, put each of your tasks into one of the four quadrants: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, neither urgent nor important. Obviously, urgent and important tasks have the highest priority. Not doing these as soon as possible will have some negative consequences. These may be the tasks that have extreme high impact on your life or career, which at the same time are time sensitive. So they need to be done today or as soon as possible. So these are do it now kind of work. Coming to important but not urgent. These tasks are usually more strategic things that is also very important for you. However, they might not be dependent on time. You definitely need to take care of them if you want to succeed, but probably not today. The most effective working strategy for these kind of tasks is schedule them. Check your calendar for future dates and schedule them. But don't neglect these until the last minute to prevent unbalanced schedules of workloads. Next, urgent but not important task. Remember, you don't have to do everything yourself. See if these tasks can be delegated to someone. However, if you delegate, don't forget to keep a track of the progress of these tasks. And I would suggest to identify such tasks immediately when it pops in your inbox and delegate immediately instead of doing that when the deadline is nearing. In this way, you can give your team some time to work on it, and you may find some time to review if required. Finally, neither important nor urgent. Many suggest to ignore or don't do these. But I personally feel that if you had thought something as your to-do task, then instead of ignoring it, just keep postponing it to a future date until you find a light day to pick it up. And that summarizes Eisenhower matrix prioritization. The next technique is based on your energy levels, and this is my favorite technique too. I highly recommend paying attention to your energy levels. Observe your energy pattern to see when you are most productive, when you are least productive, and create a calendar of your energy levels. For most successful people, they say they are most productive when they start the day. But it could differ from people to people. For me, I see I'm more productive in the evening, like 4 p.m. to 6 p.m., where I really finish my task more faster. So start observing your energy pattern. Observe when you feel energized and when you are more lethargic. And more importantly, since the pandemic, we are working from home and there could be some distraction time, especially with kids. Observe distraction pattern as well and mark them as low or mid energy level. So once you create your energy level calendar, schedule your task based on the energy levels. Tasks like tool administration, process review, checking emails can be scheduled in time with low or mid energy levels. Tasks like meetings, new learnings, any other key productive task can be scheduled at the time with high energy levels. Try out this and it would really help you. Earlier, I used to keep dragging my key tasks during the distraction time. Now, after I figured out this, I was able to complete some of the easy tasks in that distracted times. That saves a lot of time and keeps me better organized. I hope these two prioritization technique helps you. And that's it for the day. For more interesting videos, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.